In the context of a shared print project, the word title can mean two very different things. SCS has coined the terms title set and title holding to help avoid confusion. As illustrated here, the phrase title set is used to describe all the holdings of a particular title, whereas the phrase title holding is used to describe the related thing that is owned by one library in the group. Any given title set could have one or more than one associated title holding. A library's title holding is typically represented in the local OPAC by a single bibliographic record. When seeking to understand the characteristics of the shared collection, we concern ourselves with title set attributes, which are fully explained in the group visualization pages of GreenGlass. These are what we refer to as title set attributes and are the primary building blocks in the GreenGlass model builder. The title holding is the unit of measure in the GreenGlass model builder. Retention estimates are stated as a number of title holdings for each library. That is, the number of holdings for each library that meet the title set parameters of a given model. Once the group has agreed on a suitable model, SCS will assign specific titles to each library for retention. As you would probably guess, final retention allocations are made at the item level. Items flagged for retention will be identifiable and retrievable on the individual library side of GreenGlass. In the SCS environment, which is focused exclusively on monographs, a title holding usually has one associated item. However, in the case of duplicate copies or multi-volume sets, a single title holding can have more than one associated item or volume on the shelf. We've seen a wide range, but on average, an SCS library can expect to have 10% more items than holdings. Look at your library's collection overview to see a local tally of titles versus items.